Good morning, student. Today we are going to see 10th standard social science unit 5 India population, transport, communication and trade. Remaining part of this Pawan Hans Helicopter Limited. Its operation based at Mumbai. It is a mini Ratna 1 category public sector undertaking. Support service to ONGC Oil Indian Limited, Airports Authority of India, constituted in 1955 under the Ministry of Civil Aviation, responsible for creating, upgrading, maintaining and managing the civil aviation infrastructure in India, provides the security of Indian airports. Next we see the communication. The process, what is the meaning of communication? Communication means giving information from exchanging the information through the language one person to another person, process that involve exchange of information through and ideas, categorized into personal and mass communication. Personal communication enables the user to establish direct contact. Indian postal network, largest in the world, having the 1,55,000 post offices. The first Indian postal stamp was issued in 1852 in Karachi. Telephone, it is a form of oral communication, most preferred form as it provides instant communication, very essential for the growth of commerce. Next we see the mass communication. It is a very great way to provide education and entertainment. Information reaches at the same time to millions of people. Electronic media, radio broadcasting started in 1923 by Radio Club of Bombay, named as All India Radio in 1936 and again renamed as Akashvani in 1957. Television broadcasting, most effective audio visual medium. Television network in India is known as Doordarshan. Internet, global system of interconnected computer network, uses the internet protocol suite for the link between the worldwide. And then social media, interactive computer media and technological other form of expression and virtual communicates and networks. India is the second largest online market. Print media, newspaper, common but powerful means of communication, carry the information on local, national and international events. And next we see the satellite communication. A new era in communication emerged after the establishment of India Space Research Organization ISRO in 1969. INSAT, launched on 30th August 1983 in the communication satellite in INSAT series. Two groups of satellite system of India, INSAT and ISRS. Trade, decides the economic growth of the country. Water system, exchanging goods for goods, earlier primitive trade of system, traditional method, barter system. Money was introduced in the medium of exchange. Two types of trade, internal trade, that is called a domestic trade, international trade, overseas trade. Internal trade means a trade between the two countries, within the countries. And then international trade means more than two countries. Components of international trade, imports, goods and services brought from overseas trade, exports, goods and services sold for a foreign currency, balance of trade, the difference between the value of exports and imports, favorable balance of trade, value of export exceeds the value of imports, unfavorable balance of trade, value of imports exceeds the value of exports, kinds of trade, bilateral trade, trade between any two countries, multilateral trade, trade between more than two or more countries, major exports of India, tea, ores and minerals, leather product, textiles and allied products, etc. Major imports, petroleum product, gold and telecommunication instruments. Volume of trade increased manyfold after independence. The volume of imports reveals that the balance of trade is unfavorable and also increase in the level of deficit. Places and their importance. And then the headquarters of Indian Railway in New Delhi. The first suburban railway was started in 1925 in Mumbai. The metro in Kolkata is the first one in India. It is also called as a mass rapid transport systems. Chennai becomes the sixth Indian city with the metro rail. The state of Meghalaya, no railway network. The major ports in India, East Coast, Kolkata, Paradip, Visakhapatnam, Chennai, Ennur and Tuticorin. West Coast, Kandla, Mumbai, Navaso, New Mangalore and then Kochi. Now we see the points to remember. The growth of population determined by the birth rate, death rate, and migration of the people. What is the meaning of migration? We are going one place to another place, searching for employment opportunities. In India, the first census was carried out in 1872. And then communication is classified personal and mass communication. The population of India 2011. And then Uttar Pradesh, most populous state of India. Sikkim is the least population state of India. The demographic history of India. And then age composition of the population refers to the number of people in a different age groups in a country. National Highway Authority of India. The longest national highway, NH7, which runs from Varanasi to Kanyakumari. And then the Inland Waterways Authority was set up in 1986. In 2007, the Government of India merged the Air India and Indian Airlines under the National Aviation Corporation of India Limited. The first train stream was first Mumbai to Thane, 1853. Today what we see, Pawan Hans Helicopter Limited, personal communication, telephone, mass communication, electronic media, television, internet, print media, and then satellite communication, trade, components of international trade. And then we see the points to remember, important points and places of their importance. The remaining will be see tomorrow. Thank you, student.